Dear student, today I am going to teach you the remaining part of coordinate geometry, exercise number 7.1, according to latest syllabus by Siba. So from here, I told you before 7 marks will come. So now 1, 2 question answer I am going to solve you. Aji tumalogok moi coordinate geometry ekor 2 number অংকটো সমাধান কৰিম। এইটো আছে প্ৰতিজোৰ বিন্দুৰ মাজৰ দূৰত্ব নিৰ্ণয় কৰা। So the question is what given? That is what? Find the distance between the following pairs of points. Okay. So now question is given this one. -5 7 -1 3. এতিয়া ইয়াত পদত্ব বিন্দু কিটা দিছে, এটা দিছে -5 7 আনটো দিছে -1 3. Now the points are given -5 and 7 -1 3. Okay, now I am going to solve this one. Write solution. Yes, so I want to tell you one thing. To get all the question answer from there, you must subscribe my channel, like, comment. That way you will get latest information and all the question answer easily. গতিকে তোমালোকে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰবিলাক পাই থাকিবৰ কাৰণে তোমালোকে মোৰ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবা, লাইক কৰিবা, কমেন্ট কৰিবা, যাতে সকলো ধৰণৰ প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ পাই তোমালোকে সহজে সমাধান কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হ'বা। So let means what? Let means ধৰো, অসমীয়াত হ'লে ধৰো বুলি লিখি ল'বা। Okay, so what happen? Let P, so P is what? -5 7 and Q, that is what? -1 3 B, what? 2 given points. POINTS পদত্ব বিন্দু কিটা P আৰু কি আৰু ইয়াত বিন্দু কিটাৰ মান দুটা আমি দি দিছো -5 and 7 and -1 and 3. Okay, now one thing is there, you have to find out from there here. So what you have to find out? Value of x1 is equal to what? Value of y1 equal to what? And value of x2 equal to what? And value of y2 equal to what? This is the most important one. Yet x1 y1 x2 y2 value kita uliatu tumalkor attaitকৈ জানিবলগীয়া কথা। So here given value of x1 equal to what? This one is x1, so you write there -5. Yes, now value of y1, so this will be value of y1, so then that is what? 7. Very easy. Now value of x2, this equal to what? This one. Yes, -1, and value of y2 equal to 3. Okay, you write there 3. This is most important. You must always notice and you should not do mistake here. ইয়াত তোমালোকে কোন ধৰণৰ ভুল নকৰিবা। Now according to question, find the distance, অৰ্থাৎ প্ৰতিজোৰ বিন্দুৰ মাজৰ দূৰত্ব নিৰ্ণয় কৰিব লাগে। So now we have to use the distance formula. এতিয়া আমি দূৰত্বৰ সূত্ৰটো প্ৰয়োগ কৰিম using distance formula. We have দূৰত্বৰ সূত্ৰ অনুসৰি বা দূৰত্বৰ সূত্ৰটো প্ৰয়োগ কৰি অসমীয়াত তেনেধৰণে লিখিবা। দূৰত্বৰ সূত্ৰটো প্ৰয়োগ কৰি আমি পাওঁ। So দূৰত্বৰ সূত্ৰটো কি আছিল? What is the distance formula? PQ equal to √over what? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. So now put the value according to that one. এতিয়া তাত মান কিটা বহুৱাই দিলে হ'ব। What is x2? x2 is what? -1. So you write there -1. Yes, now minus what is x1? x1 is there -5. You write there -5. Okay, now both side there use this bracket and this will be whole square. Whole square means all the numbers inside there. Then plus will come as per question, as per not question, that is as per formula. Then y2 equal to what? Sec y2. This is the value of y2. Write there 3 minus then y1. y1 equal to what? Where is y1? This one 7. So you write 7. Then from the formula it will come square. So very easy. This equal to, now again write the √over বৰ্গমূলৰ চিহ্নডাল দি লোৱা। কি হ'ব ইয়াত? -1 Yes, then this will minus minus, then this will come what? Plus 5. That is 1. Now this will come whole square. Plus, then plus 3 minus 7. This will come what? Minus 4. As I told you before, the sign conversion. This sign conversion to attackoi dangor kotha. Dangor to সংখ্যাৰ আগত জিত থাকে হেতু বহুৱাই দিলে হ'ব. So now it will give what then? What you can write? Minus 4 whole square. Very easy. So this equal to what? Now root of r. So here also same thing. This is minus 1. This is plus 5. So minus 1 plus 5. So you are the borrower of 1 rupees and you have deposited what? 1 rupees you are borrower and you have deposited how many rupees? 5 rupees. After paying 1 rupees, how many rupees will be? What? 4 rupees. To me, এটকা ধাৰলে দিবলৈ আছে তোমাৰ হাতত কিমান আছে 5 টকা আছে গতিকে এটকা দি দিয়াৰ পিছত তোমাৰ হাতত কিমান থাকিব 4 টকা okay and alternately in front of bigger number what sign is there? This one. So it will come this one. So this is most important. So here it will come what then? 4. Okay, this will come 4 square plus minus minus what? Plus. Yes, then 4 square. Yes. Okay, up to here. Okay, so this equal to root over what you can write 4 square. Okay, so this you can do easily. Then 4 square means what? 16. So from there it will come into 2. So this equal to root over 4 square. From there it will come what? 16. So it will give what? 4. Okay, into 2 root 2. Up to here you will write. Okay. Okay, so this step, if you cannot do this one, you can do like this also. See, or I am writing from here also. This one I am writing here. Or how will it? See, this equal to, that means PQ equal to, this will come continuously. Okay, this will come continuously. Then this will be what? 4 square plus 4 square. Okay, then this equal to 4 square means what? Root over will come same. 16 plus 16. Okay, so this 16 plus 16, this equal to 32. Now take it, find out the LCM, not LCM, factorize this one. Yeah, good part of বিশ্লেষণ কৰা. So 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are. Now see, 32 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into maybe 5 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Now see, if it is this one, then you write this one. Yes, from there বর্গমূল ললে ইয়াৰ দুটা ভিতৰত এটা লবলে মেক পেয়াৰ দেয়াৰ from there 1 1 take and this is left back এটো থাকি যাব গতিকে this will be what then 2 into 2 2 into 2 and this will be remain back. Yes, 2 into 2 we have what? 4. Then this will remain back. Yes, into 2. That is not come this one. This will not come. Then 4. Okay, this will not come. Mind it. So this will what then? 4. 2 into 2. That means square root of this one will come 2. Square root of this one, this will come 2. Yes. Then 2 into 2. Then this one. Then this will be 4 into 2. Yes. So you can write this one like this. What? What you can write? 4 into root 2. So that is your answer. Yes, that is your.
That's your answer.
We write solution here. Yes. So let this is A and this is B. B two given point. ধৰা হওক পদত্ব বিন্দু দুটা P A2 আৰু Q A2. Now here also same thing you are writing. You write this one from there. So yet x1 equal to what? A. This one is x1. And y1 equal to what? B. This one is y1. That is x1. That is y1. Yes. Then that will be what? x2. That will be y2. Then x2 equal to what? Minus a and y2 equal to minus b. So this is most important one. Don't do mistake from there. Now using distance formula. Using distance formula. We have, since we have to find out distance between two pairs, যেহেতু আমি দুটা প্ৰতিজোৰ বিন্দুৰ মাজৰ দূৰত্ব নিৰ্ণয় কৰিব লাগে, সেয়ে আমি দূৰত্বৰ সূত্ৰটো প্ৰয়োগ কৰিম এতিয়া দূৰত্বৰ সূত্ৰটো হ'ল PQ equal to, so distance formula, write this one, very easy, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula. So now put the value according to this one. So very easy, x2 equal to what? This one, minus a. Okay, so x2 equal to what? x2 equal to what then? x2 equal to what? Minus a. You write this one here. Okay, then here minus, then x1 equal to what? A. Put the value there, then right bracket there, whole square. Okay, then plus will come from the formula. Then y2 equal to what? Minus b. Yes, minus minus y1 equal to what? B. So b, this will be whole square. Yes, write properly this one. So this equal to, so root of r will come from there. So minus a minus a. Then this will be what? Minus twice a. Yes, so this will give what? From there it will come what? Minus twice a whole square. Then this will come from there plus, then this will what? Minus b minus b. So like previous one, this will be minus b plus minus b. So this will give minus twice b. 1 rupees you are borrower and 1 rupees borrower to others. Okay, you are borrower to x and 1 rupees borrower to y. So all togethering it will go twice b rupees. That means 2 rupees. B there, right there b. So this will give what then? Minus twice b whole square. So up to there, I hope no mistake at all. You can do easily this one. So here also you will write square. So this one will what came? Plus, minus into minus plus. Then this will give 4a square. Plus this will come. That means this one what? Minus twice b into minus twice b. So minus into minus what? Plus. So plus 2 into 2, 4. b into b. This one and square is there. This will come square. Okay, 4b square. Okay, so this equal to root over. So what mean? 4 for both side there. Here also 4, here also 4. So from there take 4 common. Yeah, duita to side ase gotike 4 to common lobo para. 4 side to common lobo para. Then it will be remaining what then? A square plus b square. Yes, now see this equal to what you can do. So this we can write 2 square. That means 4 equal to 2 into 2. So this you can write 2 square. Okay, this or 2 this one. You can write this way. Okay, don't do mistake this one. Then 2 square into remaining this one, a square plus b square. No sense at all from there. Yes, be careful. This root is whole covering. So you should not write this one like that. Suppose half one, you don't write this one. That is mistake one. So you have to cover full one. That is most important one. Otherwise examiner may get angry and it is out of the rule and they may reduce your marks or they may cancel this one. So this equal to what you get? From 2 to 1 will come. Yes, pairing number, then 2 will come from there. Here from 1 to, after squaring root from there, borgomul lower pisot tarpora 2 to ahibo, and this will remain back, no change at all. Then this will come a square plus b square. So you can write this one bracket or you may not write this one. It's up to you. So now you can write this one. Therefore the required distance is what is there? What you are getting? This is the required distance. 2 into a square plus b square. Yes, so cover this one there. That's the answer. Okay, hope you are understanding very easily, and like this question coming means you can able to solve easily. Any ধৰণৰ প্ৰশ্ন যদি কৰিবলৈ আহে তোমালোকে অতি সহজে সমাধান কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হ'বা।